versus as business. I think I would suggest na i-treat nito ang real estate as business, as negosyo. Pag negosyo, ibig sabihin, warang time. All throughout the day, you need to work out. Tama? Pag employment kasi, ng 8, then out ng 5, siguro it will take 8 hours in a day sa opisina. Okay? Same thing as with us here. Pero as sales, different yung status different pace kang buhay kang tao based on my experience. Gusto ko lang aliyon sa mindset nindo, pag nag-log ka mo sa sales, day nindo pagtaw yung customer service. Kasi mas maray, ito nindo, kung gusto niyo mag-win back, mas dakol, or mas makapag-generate talagang engagement, ito nindo, sales experience through engagement. Okay? Ano ba pagkaiba doon sabi ko? Pag sabi mong customer service, all you need to do is to give what they need. Tama? Inquire ako, ma'am. So, nagiging AI. Wala siyang mutual feeling. Ang nangyayari kasi, mag-inquire, ma'am, ito ma'am. Proposal. Ito ma'am. Need yun eh. Siyempre, need niya yun eh. So, pwede naman i-explore yung sabi kong sales experience into engagement in terms na extra mile. Instead na siya, yung ibang yung need niya, explore mo. Siyempre, pag nag-resign mo sa isang tao, may problema. Sa sales, pag may mga kliyente, even though nag-inquire lang yan, make it a practice na you should be thankful to them. Kasi alam mo, gratitude is most valuable thing in life ng tao. Di ba? Kasi, ibig sabihin, nag-thank you ka. Even though, thank you sa tao, na-appreciate ako eh. Ang thinking ko, perme, ang sales, buko yan short-term period ha. Pag nag-log ka sa real estate, it's a long-term period.